In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method for your project on Base44. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together to ensure your setup is smooth and efficient. First things first, you'll need to log into your Base44 account. Make sure you're using Chrome as your browser for the best compatibility and functionality. Once you're logged in, locate and open the specific project you want to work on. This might mean navigating through your dashboard to find your project list and click on the one you're ready to update with payment capabilities. Next, you'll need to navigate to the payment or e-commerce settings. This section is crucial as it houses all the necessary tools and options for managing transactions within your project. The layout may vary slightly depending on your project's template, but you should typically find this in the main settings menu or under a specific e-commerce tab. Once you're in the right place, look for the option to Add Payment Method. This is your gateway to integrating essential payment functionalities. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various supported gateways such as Stripe, PayPal, and possibly a few others depending on what Base44 supports at the time. Now, it's time to choose your preferred payment gateway. Consider your audience and their payment preferences when making this decision. For instance, Stripe might be ideal for seamless card payments, while PayPal is excellent for those who prefer using account balances or connecting directly to their bank accounts. When you've made your selection, proceed to enter the required API keys. These keys are unique to your account on the Payment Gateway's platform and will link your Base44 project to your payment provider. Configuring your payment options does not stop here. You'll want to set the currency that aligns with your target market. This ensures pricing consistency and avoids confusion for your customers. Additionally, adjust any tax settings to comply with regional regulations and streamline your checkout preferences. This might include configuring shipping options, handling fees, or displaying terms and conditions. After you've fine-tuned all the necessary settings, remember to save your configurations. Base44 typically has a prominently displayed Save button in the settings area, making this simple. But don't stop here. It's essential to validate that everything works as expected, so proceed to test the payment process. Attempt a transaction or a mock order to check that your system functions as intended, ensuring a smooth experience for users. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up a payment method in Base44. By following these steps, you'll enhance your project's ability to conduct business efficiently and effectively. Take your time, double-check your inputs, and you'll be ready to handle transactions with ease.